corner, with airlines hoping to avoid the same bumps they experienced last year. And this is the place to do it. The annual general meeting for IATA, the International Air Transport Association. It represents hundreds of airlines around the world and is predicting stronger profits for Europe's carriers this year. The European market made up nearly a third of global air traffic in April, according to new numbers from IATA. It says people are eager to travel and airlines are ready to fly. The question is whether the whole aviation system is really up to the task. Last summer, a combination of strikes and staffing shortages meant passengers were met with queues and cancellations at many airports, including London Heathrow and Schiphol in Amsterdam. It made for a punishing start to post-pandemic travel. KLM's chief executive had barely started as head of the Dutch flag carrier when these setbacks at Schiphol began. Now she says the airline is ready to deliver once more.
We really wanted to be back in business again and serve our customers the way they are used to. We had already a test period last May holiday and it went great. People had to wait in line for 15 minutes, 20 minutes. So we are back to the way we performed before and offered the customers a very nice and relaxed, hopefully trip, yes.
Will you see traffic back to pre-pandemic levels this summer?
Well, customers came back so quick that everybody was really surprised last year. And today's summer is still promising. So customers are coming back, they book their holidays, corporates are flying, so we're quite positive.
For the best view of that industry optimism, you may have to move to the front of the cabin. Premium class travel is recovering faster than in other parts of the plane, and that's not just down to business travellers. Leisure customers are increasingly prepared to splash out, with Air France KLM saying they have an unwavering willingness to travel. Other airlines are noticing too. Finnair launched a brand new business class cabin last year. Its chief executive, Toppy Manor, has spotted high demand just in time for the company's centenary this year.
It's a big year for us. We are the 6th oldest airline in the world, so we are very proud of that.
You don't look a day over 100, I can tell you that. Are you seeing a bigger demand in luxury travel? And I'm curious to know, is it from the business traveller or is it from the leisure traveller?
Yes, we're seeing that customers are basically willing to, pay more for additional premium level customer experience. And that means that we have been seeing increasing demand for the business class as well as for the premium economy. Partially it comes from the business travel, yes, but I think that there is a new demand, if we can somehow single that out, that